I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy broccoli cashew salad. It's got a really nice balance because the broccoli is light and the cashews are dense and flavorful. So I have blanched my broccoli, dipped it in boiling water for just under a minute. That's really all it takes. Cooks it a little bit. Cutting it into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add some roasted cashews, some green onions, some chopped flat leaf parsley, and some mayonnaise. Just about enough to coat it. A little bit of salt. I think this wants a little more mayonnaise. And there you have a creamy broccoli cashew salad.